Welcome back everyone to another Hbar update. Finally, we broke through our technical target, which was this previous head and shoulders pattern. We were looking and more focused on the actual shoulders, because if you're aware of this pattern, it's actually usually the case that the head is the fake out and the shoulders are the true resistances, simply because when we ran into it for the first time, we got a huge nasty rejection around the percentage move of minus 18%. And then, of course, when we came to it as support, we had another go at breaking through. When we came back for support, we couldn't get that continuation. Although we made a high and then made a higher high, we need that higher low that stays above the 20 and pretty much that shoulder. And when we fell underneath, we used it as resistance again, bringing another move down of minus 24%. This is when I called for the bottom every single day, because we spotted this bullish candlestick pattern being held up by previous supports to the left. So the structure to the left is giving us clues, but equally the 200 EMA, we know that price is bullish as long as a correction happens and the bottom is above this point. So I'm looking for bullish patterns. When I spotted that Japanese candlestick, that's a bullish reverse one, it gave me a little bit of confidence that we could be starting to see the very start of the bottom. There's a lot of things that then need to be in favor of the bulls, which is a failure to go ahead and lose this low. And when we came up to the resistance, which are the moving averages, they actually formed a bearish cross here. So we actually assume price will continue much lower, maybe 5 cents or whatever. But as we never lost this wick, as we never lost the 200 EMA, as we never lost this previous resistance, that is now support. I consider this to be our bottoming out structure and eventually breaking this high. This came all true, guys, but it took months and months for this to develop and for it to come true. Now that you have seen it come true and we've gone ahead and met the first technical target since breaking 10 cents, you know now that we're on a path to 20 to 22 cents. This is what we've been calling for months. Even since before this year, we were calling for 20 to 22 cents. It is our golden pocket, and we do personally believe that we are trapped within this range since 2022 August, and all we're doing is breaking out. We have now done so, and I actually made you guys aware that it was that shoulder of the head and shoulders pattern with the true resistance. You can see it was this huge macro time frame double bottom neckline 875. Go to the daily just to confirm that it's the shoulders. Here you go, 875. Sorry if you can hear Abby in the background. She's on the phone to her mum. But I just wanted to make this update for you guys very quickly while she's doing that. And yeah, also because we pumped so much yesterday. So as you can see, we have targets to the upside out of this pullback into the bullish cross. We broke out of that 875 level of resistance, the shoulders of the head and shoulders, as well as this macro time frame double bottom. And so once you break this high, forget the prices, you just go to the next high, which is up here, and this is in line with our 20 to 22 cent target. We can also see that this is our double bottom swing trade over here, macro time frame, macro analysis, double bottom here, and that's taking us back to the golden pocket. This is a fib that's taking us from the bull market top to the bear market bottom. So I know that all of this is correct, and the pattern here in play is of course taking us to that price point, which eventually we actually want to see flipped into support. So we're going to run into it as resistance at first, of course, but eventually once this is flipped into support, we're looking for a break of the all-time high and a minimum of $1 per Hbar. Guys, like, subscribe, comment and share. It helps us get to 10k as quick as possible. Turn on that notification bell on as well. Follow me on all social medias. The links are down below to head over to the Twitter. But guys, if you want to get in on these moves early, we've been calling for the bottom since all the way back down over here. We were calling for us to reach this level once again in the near future, all the way since September, October time, and it all came true this many months later, guys. We've been calling this since September, and it's finally happened today. Like, subscribe, comment, share. If you want to get in early on these moves, consider joining the Discord community. It's only $25 a month, and you get weekly live streams in there. I help you with your portfolio and all my alerts, buy alerts, sell alerts, the bull market top alerts. Every single thing that you need is in this community, and there's a lot of successful traders already in there sharing their own analysis and trade ideas and investment ideas. So that's the thing for you. Join, links down below. Catch you in there. Cheers.